Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an issue that says please wait until the program is finished uninstalling or being changed. So if you notice that this stays up on the screen for a prolonged period of time and the program does not seem to be responding, this tutorial will be for you. So the first thing I would actually recommend doing would be just doing a power off. So just go down and restart your computer. So pretty straightforward process, and then you just go about restarting your actual device. So if that didn't work and you're still having problems, I would suggest using a third-party application to consider removing it. So just open up the start menu. I'm going to type in CCleaner for this tutorial, which is already installed on my computer. You have another application like Revo uninstall. You're welcome to use that as well. But I would just go down and left click on the tools section, and then the first option is uninstall, so there's programs to remove. They would just show up in this list right here. Just put left click on it and then left click on uninstall, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully one of the methods I showed you guys in this tutorial, well, I really only showed you one method. The other one would just be to restart your computer, and that has honestly really worked for me when I've run across this issue before, so hopefully it will work for you. So as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.